Hello and welcome to Selection Sathi. Today we will learn Java collections, ArrayList, HashMap, TreeSet, and the Iterator pattern. Collections are essential for organizing and processing data in Java. ArrayList is a dynamic array that grows automatically. Declare it with generics ArrayList of string. Add to insert, get to access by index, remove to delete, size for the count. Random access is O of 1, but inserting or removing from the middle is O of n. HashMap stores key-value pairs. Put to add, get to retrieve, contains key to check existence. Average time for put, get, and remove is O of 1. HashMap allows one null key and multiple null values. It does not maintain any ordering of keys. TreeSet stores unique elements in sorted order. Elements are arranged by their natural ordering, numbers ascending, strings alphabetical. No duplicates allowed, adding a duplicate is silently ignored. First and last give the smallest and largest elements. All operations array O of log n because it uses a red-black tree. The Iterator pattern provides a uniform way to traverse any collection. Call Iterator on any collection to get an Iterator object. HasNext returns true if there are more elements. Next returns the current element. The remove method safely deletes elements during iteration. You cannot do this with a regular for each loop. ArrayList Operations. Create an ArrayList of string. Add Alice, Bob, Charlie. Remove at index 1 removes Bob, index is 0 based. The list is now Alice, Charlie. HashMap for word frequency. Create a HashMap of string to integer. For each word, put with getOrDefault, current count plus 1. For words apple, banana, apple, the map is apple to banana 1. GetOrDefault returns 0 if the key is missing. TreeSet Auto-Sorting. Create a treeset of integer. Add 30, 10, 20, 10. The duplicate 10 is ignored. Elements are automatically sorted. The set is 10, 20, 30. First gives 10, last gives 30. Safe removal with Iterator. Start with a list of 1 through 5. Get its iterator. While HasNext, get the next element. If it's even, call Iterator.remove. Result 1, 3. 5. All even numbers removed safely. Without Iterator, removing during for each throws concurrent modification exception. Key tips. Use ArrayList for indexed access, LinkedList for frequent insertions. HashMap is unordered, use LinkedHashMap or TreeMap if order matters. Never modify a collection inside a for each loop. Use Iterator.remove instead. Use collections.unmodifieblelist for read-only views in your APIs. For more concept videos like this, download the Selection Sathi app. Like and subscribe. Thank you.